Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video I will talk about the deal card. On the deal card, under the deal details section, you will notice the highlights about this deal, and these highlights are completely configurable. They differ as per your selections. You can also open this deal in your CRM by clicking on the button here. The fields with the pencil icon here indicate that these are write back fields, and any changes you make in Aviso will be instantly reflected on your CRM. And on the top right, you have the Aviso score based on AI, which tells you how confident Aviso is about this deal being closed in the same quarter. Right below it, you have Aviso ranking, which is based on AI again. To help you differentiate between Aviso score, Aviso win score, and Aviso ranking, Aviso win score is the confidence score, and Aviso ranking is pretty much similar to the stack ranking. Here, this deal is identified as risk because this deal is listed as risk due to COVID impact. And when you further scroll down, here you have win score insights, and you can also see factors contributing to the win score insights and how the win score has changed over a period of time. And if you further scroll down, you have win rate comparable group, which tells you the win rate of similar deals. Hover over on the eye icon for more details. And right below it, you have booking timeline insights, which will tell you if this specific deal can be closed on time or not and the factors contributing to it. Let's move ahead to the next section, which is history. History will tell you how a specific deal has progressed with respect to amount, close date, and so on. The highlights or the changes indicated in green are positive changes and the changes indicated in red are negative changes. Let's take a look at the close date. Close date has been listed as 31st on June 9th, and then it has been pushed out to August 31st, and hence the red color. Let's move ahead to the next section, which is relationships. So here is the relationship diagram, and on the left hand side you have your opportunity team, and on the right hand side you have the contacts listed. Here you have overall engagement rate or overall engagement score of this particular deal and the number of interactions. And on the right hand pane, you will see the engagement score again or engagement rank again and interactions over a period of time. And you click on any specific contact to see the engagement rank of this particular contact and the number of interactions. And you further scroll down, you have ability to enter your comments and you can mark them as public. People who have access to this deal will be able to see your comments when you mark it public, and when you mark it private only you have ability to view your comments, and when you mark it as my manager, yourself and your manager will be able to view your comments. And lastly, let's go to the deal room. And on the right hand pane, you have activate deal room. To activate deal room, you will need to click on this button, and to join any deal room, you will need to click on join deal room. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager. Thank you.